Learn new vocabulary. It is time to discover a few new words. Today, we are going to learn about bathroom and laundry room. Repeat after me. Shower. Shower. Bathtub. Bathtub. Toilet. Toilet. Toilet brush. Toilet brush. Sink. Sink. Cabinet. Cabinet. Mirror. Mirror. Bath mat. Bath mat. Soap. Soap. Towel. Towel. Bathroom scale. Bathroom scale. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Toilet paper dispenser. Toilet paper dispenser. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Shampoo. Shampoo. Body wash. Body wash. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. Hair straightener. Hair straightener. Comb. Comb. Razor. Razor. Shaver. Shaver. Plunger. Plunger. Rubber duck. Rubber duck. Shower. Toilet. Towel. Bathtub. Sink. Mirror. Toilet brush. Cabinet. Bath mat. Soap. Bathroom scale. Toilet paper. Toilet paper dispenser. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Shampoo. Body wash. Hair dryer. Hair straightener. Comb. Razor. Shaver. Rubber duck. Plunger. Laundry. Laundry. Washing machine. Washing machine. Laundry detergent. Laundry detergent. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. Iron. Iron. Ironing board. Ironing board. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Mop. Mop. Broom. Broom. Dustpan. Dustpan. Feather duster. Feather duster. laundry, washing machine, laundry detergent, laundry basket, ironing board, iron, vacuum cleaner, mop, broom, dustpan, feather duster. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Great job! See you soon.